Hello, welcome to Mechanical Engineering Design, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how we can calculate cross-sectional area of these shapes. We can calculate the area of a circle, the area of irregular shape. We can also insert an image of what you want to calculate area and then scale one length and calculate its area. We can also calculate the area of polygon with only one click, area of rectangle. We can also calculate the area between the rectangle and the ellipse. We can also calculate area between the larger circle and smaller circle with only one click. Let's get started. We will begin with a circle of diameter 80. Now to calculate area, just go to Utilities and then Measure. Click on this down arrow and identify area. Now it will ask you to specify the first corner, joint, or click on down arrow on your laptop and then select on Object and select this circle. You see, a pop-up window will appear and area will be shown as 5026.5482. Now to verify, you can go to our calculator here, and then area of a circle is pi r squared. Now to calculate area, we'll say pi multiplied by 40 to power of 2, and that will give you 5026.5482. You see, same to what you got here. Now the next shape is this irregular shape. And what you need to do is to first join the shape. So if they are independent lines, then you have to join them. So for example, if you click this polyline, is different from this one and it's different from this line. So to join, just select all of them and go to Modify and then Identify Joint, and you are done. This one object. So go to Utilities, Measure, Area. Click on arrow, select Object, and then click. And you'll find the area is 122.5628. Now let us look at this polygon. It's an hexagon. So for you to calculate area, just click on area. Now we'll identify our first point as this edge, second point this one, third point here, this one, like this. And when you are done, just right click and click enter, and area will appear here, 6,441 square units. It will also come with perimeter, which is 298.77. Now let us proceed. To calculate the area of this rectangle, just click on Measure, Area, first point, second point, third point, fourth, and right click, enter. You see, area is 6,894. It's so simple. Now the next part, we want to obtain area between this rectangle and an irregular shape inside. So first we'll have to get the area of the rectangle, and then we get the area of what is inside and find the difference. So go to Measure, Area, then select object and pick on this object. So total area enclosed by this rectangle is 22,934. So we have 22,934.55. Now we go to the next area. So measure area, then we'll select object and pick on this section. So area will be 7,942.12. So you find the difference, minus 7,942.12, and we'll get 14,992. The next one is this, a small circle inside a larger circle. So go to measure area, select the larger circle. So the area is 10,355. And then we subtract the smaller circle, which is 1,604. So subtract 1,604, you get 8,751. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this video. See you in the next tutorial.